How to deposit balance and buy energy TradeHunter. Go to the TradeHunter partner login page and enter your email and password to access your account. Complete the CAPTCHA verification. Click on Sign In. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the TradeHunter partner dashboard. Click on the balance or saldo balance on your dashboard. Choose the deposit option. A deposit form will be displayed. Select the blockchain network for your deposit. We recommend using the BEP20 blockchain network. Input the amount USDT that you want to deposit into your account. Then click Submit. You will be directed to the payment details page. Follow the instructions on the payment details page. Send the total amount of USDT to the specified payment address. You can use an external market, such as Binance or BitGet, to send the USDT to this payment address. After sending the total USDT to the payment address, wait for the deposit to be processed and go to Dashboard page. You will see the updated balance on your dashboard. On the dashboard page, click on Buy Energy. Select the desired energy package. Click Buy Energy to confirm your purchase. Reload page, you will see the updated energy on your dashboard. To view your energy purchase history, onto the dashboard, click View Details on Energy Balance. Your energy purchase history will be displayed. On this page, you can view all transaction history, including incoming and outgoing transactions as well as energy usage.